Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a chiller video. I just am getting ready for my day and I have a few new bits and bobs to try out today. I'm in the middle of organizing and planning some bigger videos, so I need to chuck in a few simpler ones just to keep the flow going. But oh yeah, Grogu's helping me heal today. I have a little ouchie right here unfortunately, but I feel him healing me with the force. But anyways, let's get into it. For my foundation today, I'm using my Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 and I'm doing a custom mix of two shades, Stone 38 and Ivory 28. I'm coming off of a really fun weekend. I went down to Calgary and I just had a really fun weekend with my girl gang and it was one of the best weekends I think I've ever had. We were just so happy and silly together. My friend Ali and I, we got new tattoos. It's still very crispy and crunchy because it is really fresh, so it looks a little uneven. I have a little bruise, but this is it. It's a little strawberry. I love him so much. He looks like a little storybook character. Like, I love how fuzzy he looks. The artist nailed it. But as you can see, he was a hard wiper. And I have to say, this was the most painful tattoo or body mod I've ever gotten. I was like playing cake sort on my phone and texting my friends. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I was also like on my period, so that always intensifies things. Now for concealer, I'm using my Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Concealer in the shade 203 Light. That is some tiny writing, my friends. This is going to be the second time I try this. It's going to match my skin better where I'm at right now than the first time I tried it. And my good friend Dylan, who's engaged to my best friend Danny, he is a part of Calgary Fire now, which is a huge deal. It took him so long to be accepted and there's like crazy training and everything, but he did it and I'm so proud of him. And we were able to meet up with some of his firefighter friends and we just had a night. We had a night. I think we stayed up till like 4 a.m. and I haven't done that since I don't even know when the last time it was, but I couldn't believe we stayed up that late. We were just all so happy and I felt so cute and it was a good night. And I cannot wait for Stampede now. But oh my goodness, if you follow me on Pinterest, you will see that I have a tattoo kick now. I have like 4 other ones I really want and they may happen. Like, I've been wanting them for a long time. I just took a really long break from getting any tattoos. I really want to tattoo Chihiro from Spirited Away, which has been my favorite movie since forever. I fall asleep to it most nights and I watch it all the time. And I also want a cowboy kitty, but I don't know which kitty. If I should do a kitty that I know, like if I should do Lanny or Ren, or if I should save them for a different tattoo. I already have Steve, which is one of my parents' cats. I just quickly set my under eyes using my Huda Beauty Peach Please. Peach Please? No, that's not the right thing at all, is it? I used my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake. Not the right thing at all. But speaking of Huda Beauty, I'm introing these right now. They came out with some new blushes and they look freaking so cute. The packaging is adorable. Like, I almost want to bite into it. It looks delicious. They kind of remind me of like the About Face packaging too. So cute. It's called the Blush Filter Blushes, but I'm talking about these right now because in this package that they sent these really funny glasses. And on here it says, blend with your eyes closed. And I always say that, I'm like, I feel like I could blend this insert product here with my eyes closed. And I'm going to try that with my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer, because I always say that. And let's see if I'm a fibber. All right, imagine if I tried to do a whole video like this. I was like, that could be a good idea, but I think I will just get stressed because when I have my blinders on, I feel a little stressed. So I have my Rose Inc number 3 brush. Hold on, let me see if everything's filming right. This is already a disaster. Okay, it wasn't filming properly, but now we're in business. See, I can't film, I'm silent. I can't see, I can't talk. How am I doing? I feel like I'm doing a horrible job, but maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. I'm getting a little stressed. My heart's going. Let's see. So bright in here. Okay. I feel like I kind of nailed it if I just blended this a little bit better. See? Not a fibber. I can do it. But moving our attention to these new blush filters, I quickly swatched them all on the back of my hand. So here are the 5 shades. We've got Cotton Candy, Peach Sorbet, Strawberry Cream, Watermelon Pop, and Black Cherry. Really cute. I'm immediately drawn to the strawberry one and Black Cherry. I think I'm going to go for the strawberry one today. Are we surprised? They also smell really good. They smell like strawberry candy. So a little bit more about these. Blush Filter's lightweight formula has buildable, blendable pigments and finely milled micro pearls. So this liquid blush literally looks like a filter and melts into the skin for super pigmented soft glow. And it has one of those cute little peanut or like hourglass little applicators, kind of like the concealer I was using today. Let's try it. And I'll blend it out using my Makeup by Mario F4 brush. Also, I took some time and I updated my favorite brush and tool section. I'll have it linked down below. Thankfully, all my brushes that I love now are available. For a long, long time, I was only using brushes that were like discontinued or unavailable, but not anymore. Wow, that did blend out really nicely. Ooh, it is super, super blurring, which is fun to see from like a liquid formula. Usually we're used to seeing like super dewy, pretty blurring, but still illuminating because of those little pearls. And the pearl is super, super fine. That's cute. I really like that tone too. I'm thinking of working on an updated blush tournament because there's been so many blush launches since that video, and I think the end result will be very different this time around. So let me know if that's of interest. Now I'm going to take a little bit of highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Light Diffusing Highlight in the shade Pretty Pearls 01. I'm using this on unset skin because I want more of an intense effect today. Now I'm going to set my skin using my Kosas Cloud Set, and oh my gosh, this thing has gone through it. It's seen some things. Over the weekend, it's lost its cap finally. The more damaged the product looks, the more loved it is. Now I'm going to take a moment to do my brows off camera, so please enjoy the brow intermission. So for my eyes, Nabla came out with some new single shadow shades. So they have these nice neutral ones, these just simple colors, but then they also have new shades in their Magic Chromes, and I swatched them on my hand already. So these are beautiful, shifty colors. You can't even see all of the magic in these swatches right now. You can see this one pretty good actually. See how like teal and blue and yellow it is? It's crazy. So the shades go like this. We have Rain Notes, which is this teal shifting one. I love this one. Then we have Sweet Notes, which is kind of like a peachy and pink with a little bit of green in it. Then we have Bitter Notes, which is like a really like cool purple. And then it gets to like a really pretty green and gold. A lot of colors in that one. And this one down here is the shade Earthy Notes. I don't know if these neutral ones are actually new. I recognize some of the names, but we've got this dark brown, which is called Liquor. I hardly know her. This pinky taupey shade is called Star Anise. This black one is called Black Lava. And then this one is Mushroom. I love this color. I'm going to start with that mushroom color. I'm going to, oh, hello. I'm building the stage for those crazy shadows. What should I do? I might just take more of that shade, and if I want to darken it, I can with that dark brown, but I'm really liking this color on its own. I'm just building it as much as I can right on my outer corner like this, but then I'll take a fluffier brush. This is a Rephr 13 Max with that same color, and then I'll kind of bridge these two gaps together. Okay, maybe I want to darken it just the tiniest amount, just to bring out my eyes that much more. I'm taking my itty bitty little baby brush. This is the Refer 23, and I'm taking that liquor color. Whoa, so windy. It's been like crazy windy here. I don't know what's going on. So windy, it like blew over power lines, and there was like a 4-hour power outage yesterday. What the frick? Ooh, I really just like that on its own. Like, that's such a pretty set of colors. I love that. So now I'm going to take that, what, sweet notes? Candy notes? I forget now. But it's the peachy one with the green reflect on my finger. Wow, that's crazy. These are so creamy. Like, even when I was swatching them, I was like, wow, these have a lot of payoff. I'm dampening a Smith 247 with that same color. I just want to intensify it right here. And then I was thinking of fading that with that first like tealy green color right in the inner corner. That is so intense and so fun. I love that color. Ooh, and it's so green when I look up there. Can you see the green? Fun. And now I'm putting on a good amount of my mascara. This is the Clio Kill Lash in Sleek Volume. I think I'm a sleek volume girly now over volume curling. I just like the little extra volume and thickness it adds to my lashes. But here's the look all complete. I think the mascara really took this to the next level. God, those colors are so fun. So now for my lips, I have these things. So I thought Ilia came out with lip liners. They're actually like lip sticks. They're chubbier sticks, and there's so many shades, so many shades. I don't think I'll swatch them all right now. Look, there's so many colors. It's wild. Maybe I should swatch them all. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that quick. Okay, so here they all are. I feel like some of them look very similar to one another, but here we go. Are you ready? We have Pink Door, Pampas, Genre, Banquet, Rhyme, Kiln, Earthen, Gala, Piazza, Night Bloom, Case Study, and Blue Note. I really like this red. That's really nice. I'm really eyeing up this one, which was Genre. This color kind of looks good with today's look, which is Banquet. Something I noted a little bit, the caps seem to fall off very easily, so I had to really like push some of them in. But let's try Banquet. And then I have these two from Half Magic Beauty. These are the new Lip Snuggles High Pigment Oil Bombs. So I'll layer one of those on top. I'll kind of use this as a lip liner. I already tried one of these on yesterday. They felt really fun because they have a fuzzy applicator. This is Mauve Industry. So you can see it has a little fuzzy applicator. Boop. So we have Say Purr, Mauve Industry, Hail to the Cocoa, and this last one is called Killa Meows. So they're kind of brownie colors. I think Say Purr is the funniest one. So these feel really, really, really teeny tiny and light. I was like, I wonder how much there is in here. It has 5.0 milliliters or 0.16 fluid ounces, and I was comparing it to other lip oils, and that's pretty average. Some actually have less than that. And I was like, oh, I guess the applicator takes up most of the room inside the actual compartment where the product is held. The bigger the applicator, the less room there is for product. So that's why this feels so teensy. We'll see. But I really like the feel of the fuzzy applicator on my lip. Feels really nice. And because of the name, I thought it was going to be kind of like the Rare Beauty glossy lip balms, but it's actually like really oily and slippery. But there's like a grip to it that's not like so glossy. I don't know. They're not my favorite product ever, but I thought it was neat. To be completely straightforward, I'm not a huge fan of either lip formula. I don't feel very wowed. And here is the look all complete. I think the blush stole the show for me. I can't believe how blurring and softening they actually are. I was a little hesitant because I know there was some micro pearls in there and I'm like, how can a blurring product have also pearls? But I'm a believer now. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's laid back, more chill video. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next in the comments down below. But other than that, that's going to be it for me. I'll have everything I used listed and linked in the description box down below, so feel free to check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.